Hello! Today we are arriving at Phuket.
Thailand.
We are in Phuket, Thailand. Today is day 3 in the cruise. It's a Tuesday and this is 2019. We have an excursion planned for today, and the name of the excursion is Best of Phuket with Lunch. From Royal Caribbean, we are at the Quantum of the Seas, and if you haven't seen our other destinations, don't forget to click here on the link and you can check our other videos. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Elizabeth.
I'm Eduardo Eddie.
And we are La Familia Rosa. If you like the content, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. That will help us a lot. We are hoping that we have a better day today
than yesterday. Yeah. If you don't book excursions, you're gonna run into a lot of foot traffic, long lines, and you might not have enough time to enjoy because of all the runaround. So yesterday that happened to us. We did not book an excursion, and we wanted to go on our own, and we just lost a lot of time back and forth and a lot of long lines. When you purchase your excursions, you cut the lines. You're in a group and they take care of everything for you, lunch, all the stops. If you do it on your own, it's cheaper, but you don't get to see as much.
And you're also like not worried about being on time back to the ship, because if you're not there, they will leave you.
Yep.
Unless you've visited the port before, then that's something different. But if it's the first time, there's some ports that you can just easily just walk out and just wander around, explore on your own. But this one we visited yesterday was
everything was like an hour away. Yesterday
we went to Penang for the first time, and I wouldn't recommend exploring on your own unless you understand the language and you have been there before. You can easily walk out of the cruise port, and just walk around, but it's very hectic. The traffic was very hectic and might not be the safest.
So stay in touch.
Let's go to Phuket,
Thailand.
And we are taking a tender boat from the Quantum of the Seas to get to Phuket. And this is our first time visiting Phuket Island. We are very excited. We have already visited Batu Caves in Penang. So if you haven't checked out those videos, you can check down in the description box below.
Anyways, both works fine. Yeah. Morning.
As you walk in towards Phuket, you will see a lot of transportation that you can grab. There's taxis and tours and everything, so you can schedule your transportation from there and go visit where you want to, or you can just head down to the beach. Right now we're just walking down so we can meet our tour guide. There is definitely a lot of hustle.
Good morning. We're here in the beautiful Phuket, Thailand, and we're about to take our excursion for a few hours. So hopefully you enjoy all our videos. Remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see you there.
We are visiting the cashew nut factory as part of the excursion, and this is where you see how the cashew nut is processed.
It's really good.
We are sampling some of the cashews with different flavors in They are in a container where everybody takes a sample.
Butter. Look.
Let me try this one. There is a lot of tourists in here. It's kind of crowded and it's very loud. So sorry guys if you cannot hear us well. God, there is a wide variety of products here. Fruits, cashews, different flavors. Mind that everything that's in the store is not cashews. They also have dried fruit, they have souvenirs, drinks, and they also take American US dollars. We are visiting Wat Chalong, and this is a historical landmark and Buddhist temple in Phuket's Chalong Bay. Locals come to pray almost every day. They just had a bunch of fireworks.
That building, when you walk inside, you have to take off your shoe, your sunglasses, and your hat before you walk in. And if some of you want to go to a toilet, again, toilet is behind the tree.
This is a very impressive area. It's very clean and it's well maintained. This is a free place to visit and it's open daily from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Before entering, you should be aware that you have to remove your shoes, and women are expected to wear clothing that covers their shoulders and their knees.
That one is gallery hall. That most of people they go to make a wish pray for their healthy or some lucky thing. People they bring trees, candle, incense and flower here. Candle it means enlightenment of Lord Buddha. Incense it means teaching of Lord Buddha that spread to the world. And flower it means purity or clean. When you come to the temple, it means that you must bring a clean clothes, a clean hat when you go to the temple. You have to take off your shoe again when you walk in the building.
Phuket Big Buddha is a seated Buddha statue in Phuket. It's a free entry, but you need to cover your shoulders before you go in. They have scarves that you can borrow and return before you exit.
So we're here at the Buddha, and there's 80 steps to get to the top.
Phuket Big Buddha offers fine views over the island. It is very peaceful. The Big Buddha is a seated Buddha statue in Phuket. It is sitting atop Nakert Hill near Chalong. It is the third tallest statue in Thailand. It was completed in 2014 and it is 45 meters, 148 feet tall, and 23.45 meters or 83.5 feet wide. It is so peaceful in here that all you hear is the tinkling of the small bells. You are also able to see the monkeys, but be careful not to get too close because they can be aggressive and they can pull on your items like your hair or your camera. Coming down from the Big Buddha, you have to take a different route. They also have a restroom available, and you can also buy some souvenirs. We are here at Hanuman World and we are coming for lunch. They had a buffet that included Asian food as well as spaghetti, salad, vegetables, fruits, and also squid nuggets. Those squid nuggets, oh my god, they were delicious. Here comes Eddie with the ice cream. Se nos olvidó tomar video de la comida. Pero ahí está el plato. We were so hungry that we forgot to record a video of what we ate. Well, it's almost time to leave and I need to go to the restroom, so I found this route to the restroom very nice and relaxing. To my surprise, I had a view of the jungle while I was using the toilet. As you can see, there's no wall in here. It's hot and humid. Our excursion ended with a short trip to the shopping center, and then we head back to the ship. We are heading back to the ship now. We are going to have some dinner. Day 3, right? We visited what? Phuket. Phuket. We got wet again. I am having minestrone soup and Eddie is having a Caesar salad.
If you don't mind, can I remove this?
Yes, please.
Thank you.
I got it more.